Our coaches today, referees, Dennis Tolik, Ovet Arlegi, and Rocky Nakila. With referee Dennis as the crew chief. Perpetual versus San Beda, round 1 in NCAA season 100. Ball is up and the game is underway. First crack at the basket for the Perpetual Altas, coming in at 4-4 in the season so far. Here's Eman Pizarro. Right away, naramdaman doon ng Perpetual Coach Jerry yung length at height nitong San Beda.
Yes, makita mo. Ang ganda ng matchup ngayon, Martin. Match na match, lalo na sa malalaki at saka sa small.
Jomel Puno drains his first shot and it's a three-pointer.
Ibang-iba na itong pinapakita ni Jomel Puno. Talagang iba-ibang dimension. Kasi hindi mo alam kung saan siya kayo papantayan. Sa loob, sa labas, o sa open court.
Yeah. Jomel Puno showing us the range. Did not hit a three-pointer against Letran. Only took one shot. Dito, unang attempt niya, 3 puntos agad.
Nakakasola sila. Sinunod agad nila, 2-3.
Boral, the pull-up jumper. Tapos, Pizarro, wala. And again, that's the game of Perpetual. They get a lot of offensive rebounds, but they could not convert. Eman Tagle is wide open. Nothing there. Rebound. And that's going to be a foul on the Perpetual Altas. Oh, they counted. Celso gets the basket. No basket, coach. No basket. Yeah, no basket. Just a possession for San Beda. All right, let's use this chance to go courtside for the first time. Nandito ang unang report ni Micaela Mindanao. Micaela, go ahead.
Martin and Coach Jerry, the defending champions are more than ready to finish strong this first round as one of their key players. Sabi nga ni Jomel Puno na maraming big man ng Perpetual, kaya meaning nito ay length and strength. His plan for this game is to stay aggressive, confident, and most importantly, consistent. With team captain Yukian Andrada leading the Red Lions, ang plano niya naman this game is to have the team control the boards of Perpetual and out-rebound them. Abangan natin if the defending champions would still be able to keep that winning momentum before entering the second round. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Coach Jerry.
Maraming salamat, Mikay. Yung binanggit mo na dalawang players, sila yung unang 20 puntos para dito sa San Beda Red Lions. Yukian Andrada and the rising star, Jomel Puno. And it's important that Mikay mentioned the rebounding for both teams. They're number 2 and number 3 in rebounding in the season. And Boral nails the outside shot right there. Coach, it's easier said than done to out-rebound and out-hustle itong Perpetual team na to dahil yung mga nakaraang Perpetual team din natin sa NCAA, kanto na ang DNA.
Ibang-iba rin itong Perpetual, itong parehong komunan kasi pareho silang they started so well.
Yeah.
Lahat parehong tumama, mga key players tumama na agad, pero hanggang saan nila masusustain itong sitwasyon.
Yeah, we're loving the start here. Nigel Gonzalez with some hand time. No good off the bank. 5-6 is the tally. Kanina pumunto si Mark Goho Cruz. Pagkatapos yung outside shot ni JP Boral. This is gonna be a foul on Nigel Gonzalez, bumping into Sean Orgo. How about the adjustment in transition by Goho Cruz? That's a pro move from the rookie. And then JP Boral.
Medyo questionable yun. Nagre-reklamo si Coach Paul Cedro because he's fighting for a screen, no?
Okay, so si Abis ang natawagan, Coach?
Oo.
Sa binigay na screen. So it's not on Gonzalez. Nigel will drive left, down the middle. Celso misses the layup. And here comes Sean Orgo. John Abis. Good matchup with Yukian Andrada. This is 6'4 versus 6'6. Goho Cruz on top. 7 to shoot. Goho Cruz sends it out. Boral, extra pass to Abis. Ilalapit ni John Abis. Mentes. Nigel Gonzalez. San Beda will wait. They'll slow it down and operate at the half court. Jomel Puno now. There's a foul inside. Si JP Boral ang tatawagan dito.
Yes. You have to go around the screen. Alam mo, siyempre malaki ka.
Yeah.
Mahirap talaga ilaga ng screen. So, sama may magsabi dapat na pick coming para makaiwan.
Ganun pa-importante yung 3 puntos kanina neto ni Jomel Puno. Because now, they'll respect him whenever he's outside. Lukian misses. Here's Goho Cruz. Surveys the floor. Two teams struggling a little bit in this stretch. Pizarro. Goho Cruz. Pizarro again. Hindi aatakin si Celso. Shot clock is winding down. Boral needs to take. Floater. Wala. That's good defensive sequence for the Red Lions. And we go first to this timeout. After this, we'll give you the much-awaited first game of Bismarck Lina right after this break.
Medina from the baseline. Kala ko short. Hindi diretso yung follow-through. Medina. Zone to. Naka 1-3-1 ngayon sa San Sebastian. Trying to get into their zone offense. JRU wants to get that shooter loading on the corner. Wow! Raimundo staring down Risho.
Fans who came all the way from Las Piñas. Ito nyo naman. Mga fans ng Perpetual, the Perpetualites and the Pedans are all here on a Saturday morning. Thank you so much for spending your weekend with us. They know it's a big game. So they're all here to catch the action. Yan, maraming salamat po. Diba? Yeah. Okay. Ito na, Coach. So on the floor for the first time for San Beda, as we see the cousins here. Naka-split screen si Coach Olsen and si Coach Yuri. On the floor for the first time para sa San Beda, Coach. Bismarck Lina. Much awaited arrival of Bismarck here in the NCAA. Initially, he was slated to return at the start of the second round. Pero si Coach Yuri, sabi niya, makakaya na ni Bismarck, matulungan kami. Of course, Bismarck is a transferee from Idinaman School in UP. Was a monster in high school. Walking double-double itong si Bismarck Lina when he was playing for UST High School. And now he is here with the San Beda Red Lions. In the meantime, here's the hop of Jomel Puno. Got hit in the face. Pizarro with the help. And Puno steps into the free throw line.
Grabe ang premium na binibigay ng mga coaches ngayon sa big man, especially sa rebounding. Talagang hindi mo pwedeng iwanan itong mga kahit sinong malalaki dito na open, kundi sigurado makukuha ang rebound. And talagang lahat ng drive, pinablock nila.
Yeah, that's right. Jomel Puno misfires on the second, but Bismarck Lina gets the offensive rebound. Ooh, miscommunication between Andrada and Puno. So, turnover. Look at the lineup here, Coach, ng San Beda. You got Lina, Andrada, Puno. Lina is 6'5", Puno is 6'5", Andrada is 6'6".
Yes, oo. Ano talaga yan? It's a battle of possession. Ngayon, pumasok si Sahonia.
Yeah.
Medyo para makadagdag ng scoring.
Dito sa Perpetual, wala pang pinapalitan. Si Jericho Nunez nandito na. And only change for Coach Olsen so far. And they also turned the ball over. Ito na, tatawagin na ni Coach Olsen si Christian Pagaran, the captain of Perpetual, enters for the first time. Ang kanyang papalitan, si Mark Goho Cruz. Here's Penny Estacio. Check-in earlier.
Sinesring talaga nila, pinaliliit nila yung court by playing zone. With the skill of these teams. Talagang mahirap tao-tauhin.
Sahonia floats it up, no. Loose ball. Orgo collects. Here's Sean. Abyss. Abyss attacks. Abyss gets fouled.
Good
Again,
move, Good
oo.
move kay Abyss. Nakita niya, maliit. Sinuyod niya na kagad.
At yan naman yung advantage dito ng Perpetual because they're bigs. Itong si Abyss tsaka si Boral, they have the quickness advantage over at least Bismarck Lina and maybe Yuken Andrada.
Yes. Tsaka he can dribble. Ito si Abyss. Kompleto rin na player.
Oo.
May lusot, may tira sa labas.
They just have to make the free throws.
Yes, oo.
For Perpetua, they did not take a whole lot against LPU. Only 8 free throws, coach, against the Pirates. 0 out of 2, but they collect the offensive board. Nunez, libre sa ilalim si Abyss, bothered by Lina. One more chance. Sean. They'll set the table from on top. Pagaran, no. Loose ball ending up with Penny Estacio. Yuken says, let's wait. Let's slow it down.
Ganda ng transition defense nila, Coach Olsen. Talaga hindi rin nila mabutas, hindi rin nila mapasok sa loob eh.
Spray. Penny short. Puno comes up with it, but could not stay inbound.
Halo-halo ang rebound na makikita mo rito. Long rebound, short rebound, you just have to block them off.
That's right. Songkuya checks in for San Beda along with James Payosing. Upo muna si Puno at saka si Andrada. We're stuck at 7-5 dito sa first quarter. Jericho Nunez. Hand up for Abyss. Pagaran. Pagaran. Scoop! To the hoop for Chris Pagaran.
Medyo good decision yun. Alam niya, may difference pa si si Bismarck Lina, kaya kita mo, hindi niya naabot eh, no?
Pag-atake niya, no? Eto. Sumisil si Bismarck. Can they get it to him? He's on the block. Lina. Lina carving space. They're bit off on the reverse.
Medyo mahina pa. May konti pa. Yung split bomb niya, hindi pa ganun katibay.
Pero si Jericho Nunez kuma-counter sino sa kabila.
Oo.
Eto, Chris Pagaran. A strong drive to his right. To the delight of the Perpetualites in attendance.
Mahirap yung pigilan yung drive ni Pagaran eh, no? Pagkagaling sa dribble. Ang lakas ng take-off niya.
Magandang elevation ito ni Chris Pagaran. Nunez. Terzano is now in the game. Ito si Pagaran. Pagaran. Successfully fishes a foul.
Good naman yun. Decision kasi alam niya mas malakas ang elevation niya dito sa kay sa guard na si Estacio.
Yeah. So Chris Pagaran steps into the free throw line. It has been an up and down season for this guy. Last time out, only 2 out of 10 from the field for 4 points and 6 boards against LPU. In some other games, he's in double figures. So he's trying to find the right balance, coach. Still finding the consistency, especially with the shooting. Kasi karamihan ng mga nakukuha niya, good looks naman.
Yes, correct. At saka siyempre, nandun si Go Cruz. Mahinip din. Kaya kuminsan talagang take turns lang sila. Sorry.
Timeout muna tayo. Perpetual. Now ahead by 2.
The shoot gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadagna. Fourth to shoot. Guadagna fires a jumper. It's good! Maclad Guadagna. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the 3. No good. And LPU Pirates survives another close game in this NCAA.
Balik sa ating laban. Buong tropa nandito, Coach Jerry. Ayan o. Siyempre, kung galing ka sa South, babiyahe ka ng malayo, dapat bit-bit mo lahat. Ito naman mula sa Mendiola. Diba? Everybody's here. They know how important this game is, so they came out to support and to have fun, di ba, on a Saturday.
Medyo hindi pa na kasi medyo low scoring ball game eh. Mamaya yan, magtatalo na yung mga fans natin.
Oh, di ba? Yan naman. Love the scarf though. The San Beda scarf. Oh, di ba? Yan yung mga tropa natin na nandito ngayon sa Phil Oil. If you guys are in the area, pwede pa kayong pumunta. 2 games tayo ngayon, ha? Mamaya, LPU Letran. Agad ka rin bakbakan yun.
Ayun, medyo nilakihan na ni Coach Olsen yung zone press niya. He's employing a 2-2-1 zone defense to slow down itong mga San Beda boys.
But that took away at least 9 seconds of the shot clock nitong San Beda. Now it's at 8. They need to execute quickly. Payosing will attack. Payosing on the feed. What a cut by Songkuya.
Yan yung mga quick side cuts. Hindi ka pwedeng didepensa lang. Didepensa ka lang ng first 8 seconds of the ball game. Kailangan hanggang dulo. May stop mo, lalo na if you're going up against San Beda team.
Orgo pulling the trigger. Left it to Pagaran, hustling for that offensive rebound. Over the top, neto ni Brian Sahonia.
Tagulangan siya to.
Orgo takes another one. This time he'll drain it. Long 2 for Sean.
Yan ang pinakamahirap pantayan sa lahat. Ball screen on top. Sa point guard, pagka may tira talaga sa labas.
Unang basket para kay Sean Orgo. You know, this guy is a very capable scorer as well. Brian Sahonia. Passing it to the official that time. Hindi gumalaw si Estacios. Now they're communicating. Here's the pass. Payosing, driving, slicing, and leaving it for Songkuya. But John Orgo, sabi niya, hindi ako magmimitis ulit. And Coach Olsen liking that shot by Sean. Last time out, Orgo had 13.7 rebounds and 3 assists. 11-9 is the tally. Axel Manuel who entered the game earlier. Pagaran being hounded. Manuel driving right. Manuel is fouled.
Oo, ang hirap, napakasikip. Yung switching ng San Beda team, napakabilis, napakalakas. Naka-train sa shooter.
Ito coach, si AJ Royo na ang point guard ng Red Lions. Axel Manuel to the line. Knocking down the first. Ito si Axel Manuel, coach. Has a big body. Malaki para sa point guard.
Oo.
At alam niya gamitin yung kanyang size.
Yes, correct. Oo, dito kay Axel, talagang makita mo naman sa build niya eh. Pareho ng mga ibang Nigel Gonzalez, mga nagsilakihan ng mga katawan eh.
That's right. Brian Sahonia still quiet. AJ Royo calling the shots. Pati kay Royo sa taas. Royo, the swing to Payosing. James sends it out. Sahonia for 3. Nothing there. And this time it's Goho Cruz who handles the basketball. Goho Cruz, ooh! Blocked by Songkuya.
Inabangan siya nun. Dahil makita mo si Goho Cruz, ha? Makita mo yung ano yan, pwede siya bumibol, magpaba ng bola.
Pwede, coach. Ganda pa ng buwelo niya dito. Here's a do-it-all player talking about Goho Cruz. Pagaran. Sa kanto, Goho Cruz. Hits the back iron. And Payose has it. James Dahab. Send out to Royo. Back to AJ. San Beda opting to not take the 3. Payosing with 10 to shoot. Kalimag. Pull-up jumper. Got it. Nakapasok lang. RC. Kalimag connects.
Dalawang Kalimag ata ito, you know?
Yung si Richie, nasa bench pa. Kalimag brothers ng San Beda. Interesting, pinalitan agad ni Coach Yuri si Brian Sahonia. Ooh, Pagaran with a strong move, just couldn't make the shot. Forward pass, RC, touchdown, and that's back-to-back baskets for RC Kalimag.
Instant offense, kagad.
Si RC ang nagtabla sa kanila dito. Nakaagaw ang San Beda. RC, naubusan ng oras. Time expires. That's a good ending to our first quarter. San Beda equalizing the score, 13 apiece.